Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long time, and today I have come up with a new topic, which is dependency injection in Java. So I will tell you and explain what is dependency injection theoretically, and then I will implement a program using Java. So what is dependency injection? Let's take an example. We have an address class which has three variables like street, city and country, and again we have a person class which also has three variables like name, contact and address. So to create a person we must know their address, just like we must create the address first, then we will create a person. So the person depends on the address class. So we can say that the person class depends on the address class. So how we will do that? We must create the address before we create the person. Like we will initialize the variable of address class with the values like street, city and country, and then we inject the address into the person object. Same like a person is equal to new person, name, contact and address. So that is dependency injection. Dependency injection is where we create the dependencies of one class first, then pass them into or inject the class to create. So let's go to the person class, and over here we can see that there are three variables: name, contact number and address. And this class also has the constructor and getter and setter methods. And this class also has the object of address class, and let's go to the definition. And over here you can also see there are three variables like street, city and country. Because this class depends, the person class actually depends on this class. So whenever we will create the person, we will create the address class first. We will assign the values to the address class first. So like in my app class, we have this object and we have set the values for this person, the street, city and country, and also we have injected this address object into the person object, and we have extracted some values from the address person object like my the get street, get city and get country. And then with the string dot format method we have person dot get name, get contact number and my address. So let's check the output of this application, and you can see that the output is person dot get name, person dot get address and country. So this is called dependency injection.